Hi foodies, welcome again. Today's recipe is a Maharashtrian special breakfast or snack recipe. This authentic pohe recipe will get you hooked. Let me show you. Come on. I use a cast iron or iron pan. Now don't skip out on the ghee, it will give an awesome flavor. The combination of these basic ingredients makes this dish so special. Peanuts give a lovely crunch and taste amazing. We will build the flavors as we keep adding more ingredients. We need to mix them and saute as we go. Red onions are perfect for this recipe and we will saute them until translucent. The detailed recipe is in the description box. Adding salt will release some moisture. Now don't skip out on the sugar too. Adding turmeric now will cook out the raw flavor. Now these are pohe or flattened rice and I have just washed them once and drained in the colander 5 minutes before cooking. Mix lightly as the pohe are very delicate. We will add a few coriander leaves and some grated coconut now to incorporate the flavor into the pohe. Just keep mixing lightly and the flame is medium. Go ahead and click the subscribe button for such awesome recipes I post every week. It's ready and we need to garnish with coriander leaves and fresh grated coconut. Such a quick and simple recipe, don't you think? Give a big thumbs up and thanks for watching. I'll see you next week with another yummy recipe. Bye.